Hi everyone, Yap here. So in previous lesson, we have done setting up the migration factory, okay, on importing the server in, creating the source user, everything is done, okay. So now we will go on and have a look on the what can the migration factory do on the automation part, alright. So the first thing we will do is to check the prerequisite, okay, for this 4 Linux VM from the MGN. Make sure their firewall port is open, okay, .NET Framework version and all those parameters required for the replication. Right. So after you checking, okay, this 4 Linux is ready for the migration to AWS. Then we will install the agent, okay, like last time we do on the application migration. Okay, when you install the agent, we will create a replication server, right, using the replication template. All right, through the replication server we can then replicate the Linux server to the AWS cloud in the which using the EC2 launch template, right. Okay, so basically we can start with the lab first. All right. Okay, so where's my lab? Okay, so first thing we will check the prerequisite first. All right. Oh, sorry, it's in the bastion. Okay, so we will go to the job. Okay, so we select run automation. Okay, so the job name will be MGN Prerequisite checking. Okay, so the automation server will choose this one. Okay, then the script name we will choose check MGN Prerequisite. Okay, so you will need to have the Linux secret, which means the credential for the Linux server. And we have the replication server IP. Okay, you must be wondering how we get this later. I will show you. Okay, wave name we will choose wave 1. Wave 1 is for the Linux server, right? So for the Windows seeker can ignore because we are not going to migrate the Windows, right? So just submit the automation job. Okay, so as you can see it's start running now. Okay, so basically you will perform the prerequisite checking for all those firewall port or the .NET Framework version install, everything is compatible for the MGN or not, right? So if you click refresh, okay, so if you want to see, you can click in, and if you have the log, okay, you can see it from here, details. Okay, it may take some time. Okay, hopefully everything is in place. Okay, so let's see. So actually you can find this in the Amazon doc on what is happening here, right? So basically, if let's say because previously I did type the replication server IP, so the replication server, actually what I mean is this replication server created by MGN, but before we check the prerequisite, actually we don't have any replication server pre-created for us, right? So in order to create this replication server, you have two choices. The first choice will be you can go here and you can follow the installation instruction, or you just need to create the server with TCP 100, 500 and TCP 443 port open. Okay, just a dummy server as a replication server. Or the second way, the better way, is you create a dummy source server over here, and then you pump in the agent from the MGN, and then it will automatically spun up a replication server here. So in order for you to check the prerequisite for the production server, you can actually put in this replication server IP lah, right? So if you don't understand, you can put into the comment section. Maybe I can help you on it, right? So completed. So let's see. This one we need to refresh. Okay. Bear with this, a bit slow. Okay. So if you see the log, so we have successfully verified. Okay. Log into migration factory, getting server list. Okay. We have our this false Linux server, and then checking the prerequisite. Okay, so you can see SSH to source server. Okay, sudo permission can, using the Linux credential. Okay, TCP, these two, and then have 2 gig free space, has 0.5 temporary free space, and have this DH client. Okay, so everything you will check lah. Okay, so everything is passed. Okay, great. Okay, so we have done this. All right, and then for next one we will install the agent. Okay, so another thing is worth mentioning is if let's say you go to the server here, so you will update on the migration status here. Okay, so this one is the Windows, we ignore this. Okay, so prerequisite check, pass. Okay, so the first thing we did check the MGN. The second thing we will do the agent. Okay, agent installation. So let's go to the jobs. So easy, very easy. If you have 100 server, you can just do this and it will check all the 100 server all at once. Run automation. Okay, so the job name, okay, we put install agent. Okay, then we choose the automation server, which means the migration factory, and then install management agent. Okay, and then the same thing again. Okay, Linux user, wave name, wave1, submit. Just a few click, you have done the install agent for the all 4 Linux server. Remember the previous lesson, we need to install the agent. Where we install the agent. Okay, we need to go in here and type all the code to install the agent and then see the replication status, right? So this one, you just in a few click you can complete the agent installation. Alright, I need to refresh this. Let's go, this one a bit slow. Let's go here. Okay, we can actually go to the MGN because it's actually just to trigger the API, okay, on our destination server MGN. And remember to select the destination, North Virginia. Okay, and then we can see here, still in progress, maybe need to wait a while. Okay, haven't yet. Let's go back to the, let's see the log. Okay, let's see from here, maybe you can see something. Still at the may need to wait for like 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, and we can see the status. This one maybe after everything is done it will show it here. Okay, let's go to the job. I see something here. Wait, let's see. Okay, factory region US is one. Okay, login ID, getting service list, account team. Okay, so now we are in the account. This one is start to installing the agent. Okay, let's go and see from here. See, we have one agent install in this environment in agent base. Okay, ready. the still initiating. Okay, so I think that's all for today. I will wait for the agent installation to be complete, and then in the next lesson, maybe we will show you how to verify the replication status. Okay, and when the agent is completely installed. So thanks for watching, and if you like my video, you can subscribe to support me, and have a nice day. Goodbye.